welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be like a winter makeup look. You can wear this going out for dinner, going Christmas shopping, Christmas day, like literally anything. Try to keep it like, I don't know, like silvery blue. I paired this little cardigan with it, the white top, but I don't know, I just liked the blue. But yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching and you can follow on along with me. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's just get into it. So the first thing I'm going to take is an eyeshadow primer. Now this just really helps keep your eyeshadow in place and helps the pigment like sort of come through a lot more. And then we're going to move on to the eyebrows, and I'm just using the Kat Von D or KVD eyebrow pomade, and I'm just using that to sort of define them. And then I'm just going to go in with a brown eyeshadow and just sort of fill the rest in, just so they don't look too like bold. The shadow just helps them blend a little bit more. So next I'm going to take like a cream sort of white eyeshadow, and we're going to use this as the base for the eye makeup. Then I'm just taking my Frozen Elsa palette and taking this like lovely powder light blue shade, and I'm just blending that all over the eyelid. And honestly, just keep going back in with your shadow and just building it up to the colour that you like, but obviously just make sure you blend it in between so it doesn't look muddy. Absolutely love this shade. I've never used it before and it just screams like winter wonderland. Then I'm just going to take this like light warm brown shadow. I'm just going to run that under the eyelids. Then I'm just taking this grey toned eyeshadow just to create a little bit of definition in the eye, like, yeah, in the eyes. Then I'm just taking this lovely like metallic-y silver colour from the same palette, and honestly this colour was stunning, like so nice, really creamy and blendable, and that's just going all over the eyelid. Then we're going to take a break from the eye makeup and going to start on the foundation. I'm just using the L'Oreal True Match in 0.5, and this is such a good foundation, like it's really buildable and affordable. Then I'm just going to go in with some concealer. I'm just using the KVD Lock-It concealer, and I'm just popping that just wherever I feel, honestly, mostly under the eyes. Then I'm going to take the Rare Beauty contour stick, and I think this is called like Happy Soul or something, but it's honestly amazing. It's the best like contour stick I've personally ever used, and it's not too warm, but it's not too cool toned, so it's perfect for fair-skinned babies. And then I'm just taking a beauty blender and just blending that all together, and yeah. Then I'm gonna press all that down and set it in place with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just using a powder puff just to press the powder in, and this honestly adds a little bit more coverage, and yeah, I love that. And then I just go in with like a fluffy brush and just get off the excess powder that's not needed. And then I take the NARS Orgasm blush, which I wasn't too impressed with, so I went in with this Benefit one, and I can't remember the name of it, but I'll pop it down below or on screen. And I just do some blusher. Then obviously it wouldn't be a Francis makeup video without my freckle pen. I honestly love just adding some like fake freckles, but I do have freckles, they're just very light, so I kind of just go over a couple of them and then just obviously add so many more extra freckles. Then I'm just taking a highlighter, which was like a lilac-y shade, and then I'm just going back in with the Frozen palette and using this like almost like glitter sequin like eyeshadow, and I just put that all over my eyelids, in my tear duct, and just sort of blend it all over just to make some sparkly goodness. Then I'm just taking a gel eyeliner and just obviously lining my waterline, and then we're going in with some liquid eyeliner, which is so stressful, but I think I did manage to get them sort of even in the end. And then I just add some lashes, of course, because I don't think it finishes off any makeup look, especially if you've got hooded eyes. I think it just opens up your eyes a lot more. And then to finish off the eyes, I'm just adding some mascara. This is the Rare Beauty one, and this is a really good mascara and not too expensive either. Just a little tip, always start with your bottom eyelashes opposed to the top, just so you don't, get mascara marks on your eyelids. And that is the finished look. Oops, almost forgot, needed to add a lip product, and I'm just going in with the Kylie lip gloss. And that is the makeup all done. So just a quick hair and clothing transformation. Here we are. And I just paired it with this like blue cardigan, which I thought was really cute. Very girly for me. But that is the end of this video. Love you lots, guys. Bye.